a two-bedroom home that lives bigger. In this unit, there is a bonus space, so be sure to stick around to see it. This is the Dogwood. It's a two-bed, two-bath, single-level landmark homes unit. Let's go inside and take a look. The Dogwood comes in two configurations. One is 1,688 square feet, and the second is 1,836 square feet. The 1,836 square foot model has 2 bedrooms, a study, 2 bathrooms, and an open kitchen, living, dining area. Let's take a look. Immediately on entering, to the right-hand side is the study. Continuing down the hallway is the first bathroom, and next, the secondary bedroom. And coming on in is the great room. The great room is quite large. You can seat quite a few people here, enjoy your Christmas dinner. There is a fireplace, large windows let in lots of natural light. Coming in from the garage is a little mud room where you can dump off your boots, hang up your coats. Off to the left is a pantry. The laundry room is in that door there. And this is the primary suite. Lots of room for a queen or even a king-size bed and other furniture. And straight through here is the bathroom. At the back of the bathroom is a walk-in closet. The Dogwoods are single level. So why is there a stairway? The bonus we talked about. So you can use this either to finish out for storage, or you can use it to finish out as an extra bedroom. You can make an office up here, or you can turn it into a hobby room. It's all here ready to go for you. It just needs to be finished out. They have even roughed in the electrical. Let's take a quick look at the smaller model. My contact information is listed in the description below. So if you have any questions about the units at Edgemont Preserve, just reach out. This is the 1,688 square foot Dogwood model. Right away you can see a difference. Instead of a study off here to the left is a bedroom. Right away as we come in, you can see that it's a much more open plan. Off to the left here is the guest bathroom. And you walk directly into the great room. Once again, those same quartz countertops. And this is a great area for entertaining. You can truly downsize here and not lose out on entertaining your family. You could do Christmas here. Just as in the larger unit, as you walk in from the garage, there are build-ins off here to the left for your coats and boots and all of that kind of thing. Laundry facilities are in this door, and here is a pretty big pantry for the kitchen. Just off the kitchen is the primary suite. Nice large windows, lots of space for your bedroom furniture, and in through this door is the primary bathroom. Walking straight through the bathroom, you come to a large walk-in closet. Let me take you to meet the community sales manager. The community of Edgemont Preserve is planned for 82 homes. These homes will be coming in 2 phases. As you can see, they've started construction on a new unit. The 2 phases of construction will be between this phase, which is phase A. Phase B will start on the other side of this street. You can see the mailbox area And that home just up there is the model home. All right, let's go in and meet Andrew. He is your community sales manager for Edgemont Preserve.
Hello, welcome to Edgemont Preserve. I'm your community sales manager, Andrew.
So Andrew, what is it that excites you about Edgemont Preserve?
Just the quality of the build and everything that we do that goes into it. Just the design, the thought process, all the moving parts, and how our team works so well together.
Is Landmark Homes concerned with build quality?
Absolutely, we are. We use the best trade partners and the best materials that we can get. Landmark puts a 1-year builder warranty behind everything we do, and the plans are well thought out. The construction is great. Our team is top notch, even down to the interior designers. Everything is wonderful, and we are client driven, and we want to have the best experience for them as possible.